In this video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate something counterclockwise around the origin. So stick around for all the tricks. There's a few of them. So if we have a problem like this that says rotate triangle ABC 270 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. And here's our triangle, okay? So a 270-degree rotation counterclockwise around the origin is the same as 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. So you're probably thinking, what? But look, if you look at this diagram, it'll make perfect sense. So this is going counterclockwise 270 degrees, right? 270 degrees is 3/4 of the way around, right? So you start here, you'll end up here. But that's basically the same as going 90 degrees clockwise this way. You'll end up at the same point. So when you see 270 degrees counterclockwise, you just know that you have to go clockwise 90 degrees, okay? So for a rotation 90 degrees clockwise around the origin, X and Y switch and Y becomes negative, okay? So that's the first trick. So if we have a point X and Y, these two will switch and the Y becomes negative, okay? So if we have point A, 2, 6, which is here, A is at 2, 6, so now the new point is going to be 6, -2, okay? So we've plotted it here, 6, -2. So these two switch and then this becomes negative. So now let's do our point B. Point B is at 6, 3, right? X is 6, Y is 3. So if we switch these and then make Y negative, it's going to be 3, -6. See? 3, -6. So then we can plot B prime. So it's 3 on X and -6 on Y. Now let's do C. C is at 3 for X and 1 for Y. Okay, so 3, 1. So let's put the little formula on it, and it's going to be 1 minus 3, and it's here. So now we can plot our rotated triangle. So C prime is at 1 minus 3, right? So now we can plot our other triangle here just to see how it looks rotated 90 degrees. So you could see it's been rotated from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, okay? And that's all there is to that problem. Don't worry if you didn't understand that. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video. It'll take you here, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.